If you are on the lookout for a fast and flavorful lunch or dinner, then you have to try this vegan curry recipe. It is full of delicious pumpkin and it takes under 30 minutes, including prep time. First, we have to prepare the pumpkin. To cut the pumpkin, you will need a large and very sharp knife. Place the pumpkin on its bottom so it sits steady. The most important is not to try to cut through the stem, as this is the hardest part. Take your knife and insert it straight into the pumpkin next to the stem and cut the pumpkin in half. With a large spoon, scrape the seeds and pulp out of the pumpkin. If you're using Hokkaido pumpkin, you don't have to remove the skin. Remove the stem with a knife and cut the half lengthwise in wedges. Slice the wedges into small pieces. Now it's time to prepare the red pepper. Slice the red bell pepper from top down and slice around the core in square, creating 4 to 5 slices. Also remove the seeds. Then take the quarters and slice them into 4 to 5 sticks lengthwise. Once the pumpkin and peppers are prepared, we have to heat 2 teaspoons of olive oil in a pot on medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the peppers and allow to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Add the pumpkin to the pot with the peppers and cook for additional 4 to 5 minutes until the pumpkin starts to soften. Cover with coconut milk and stir. Lower the heat to medium. The vegetables should be covered in the coconut milk. If not, you can surely add some water. Stir in the curry paste and let simmer for 12 minutes, stirring occasionally. The curry dish is ready when the pumpkin is cooked through. You can serve this dish with rice. If you like to serve it like a pro, you need a plate and a cup. Scoop your rice in a small bowl or a coffee cup and press down with a spoon. Add the plate upside down on top of this bowl and flip the whole thing. Remove the cup and you got your rice nice and neat on your plate. Now you can add the pumpkin dish right next to the rice. You can add some thyme or coriander leaves. I hope you like this vegan curry dish that comes together in less than 30 minutes. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel to not miss any of my new recipes.